how to change themes on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get various themes on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. You'll need to head over to settings, then go to wallpaper. Now tap on add new wallpaper and scroll down, and there you can see various themes like astronomy, emoji, kaleidoscope, unity, many more. Just tap on the theme of your choice, tap on get, and then your new theme will install. And like this, you can change your theme on your iPhone. So you can scroll through various themes and choose the one of your choice. So this is how it looks. You can just tap on add in the top right corner and change the theme. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.